Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare sea moss. First, let's start with cleaning. Begin by placing your raw sea moss in a large bowl and rinsing it thoroughly under cool, fresh water. You'll want to inspect it closely for any small bits of sand, shells, or other natural debris. Continue rinsing and changing the water until it appears completely clear, ensuring all impurities are removed. Once your sea moss is clean, it's time for the soaking process. Transfer the cleaned sea moss to a large bowl and completely submerge it in filtered or spring water. Ensure there's plenty of room for expansion. Allow it to soak for anywhere from 4 to 12 hours, or until it has noticeably softened and expanded, becoming much larger and more gelatinous. After soaking, drain off all the water. Now, transfer the expanded sea moss into a high-speed blender. Add just enough fresh, filtered water to cover the sea moss, usually about 1 cup for every 2 cups of soaked moss. Blend on high until you achieve a completely smooth, creamy, and consistent gel-like texture. There should be no lumps remaining. Once your sea moss gel is perfectly blended, transfer it into a clean, airtight glass jar or container. Store this container in the refrigerator immediately. When stored correctly, your homemade sea moss gel will stay fresh for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. You can easily add 1 to 2 tablespoons daily to your smoothies, teas, or even use it as a thickening agent in recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.